ready to have fun?
I'm ready to have fun at the water park, and then I have some drums.
Drums?
Yep.
Gotta get food.
And then we have some food.
This ain't no food, bro. This is junk. You got junk. You get food later. What are you watching?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man? My back is in my stomach right now. I'm gonna order me some food. Like some breakfast. Katie, you want breakfast?
Yeah.
What do you want?
I want toast sticks.
Fresh toast sticks.
Yes.
Okay.
And then come and look at this huge backyard. Come and look at this. Huge backyard.
Yeah, sure.
Look at this huge.
What are you eating? What is that?
I don't know idea.
Bacon. You know that's bacon.
Bacon. I love bacon because it's my favorite breakfast.
Water park with Kanan. I got this scarf on like somebody's grandma. I don't want this head to get wet. Right, Kanan? I don't want to embarrass him. He's so scary. There he is. I got my hair wet. Now my shit back nappy. I actually just stopped for real. He think he know how to swim. This how he swim. This how he swims. The leg kicks me. Why are you cheating? Do you don't? Do you don't? Oh, get down. Meanwhile, y'all can see Kane in the back. They finna get ready and close the water park at 8. So we gotta go wash up. Put on my pajamas.
I want this big giant.
It don't work. All the Mario games don't work. Here, play this. gotta drive. Look at me. Hey, you almost had it. You almost had it. Hey. Ooh, dang, you almost had it.
Yeah.
We gotta get up in the morning, go to our second surprise.
Yay.
I'm so sleepy. Are you sleepy?
Yep. No,
Of course you're not. I am.
I'm not.
I'm made out with my hair. Got me looking African.
And then she was swimming with me.
Mm-hmm. Period. I did, but I didn't. I don't know why he keep chasing this duck. Come on.
I get it from her.
Well, you keep stalking him, bro.
Because it's
First roller coaster. Are you ready? You so impatient. Go over. Oh shit, hold on. You scared? You think you're so tough. I'm gonna get you on the giant drop. I thought you wasn't scared. on the first big roller coaster. Cause the rest of them he can't get on because he's too small. He talking like he wasn't scared. Oh, he was scared. Come on, Kanan. Uh-oh.
It looked bogus.
My hair or your hair? Both our hair look bogus. I had Huddy and Annie. We finna go to 35th Bridge. Okay, it's cold. I had not done, excuse us, but we'll be fine next week. Probably gonna get cold about that lake. It's cold out here. We didn't know it was gonna be this cold. Y'all wanna go get a blanket or no? Do y'all wanna go get a blanket? We have to go back and get coats and jackets because it was freezing, right, Maya? Yes, ma'am. Oh, what is this? That's so nice out here, though. And you got on her North Face because she was cold. I'm about to just show you. Oh. Excuse my nails, y'all. In honor of Mother's Day, look at our shot glasses. Period for the boys. Yeah. Okay. We finna drink some Casamigos.
Oh, that's her.
What's she laughing at? Which one is it? The one in the red?
I'm just grateful she made it back to the scene.
Look, this is a nice view, y'all.
Wow, the nice view over there where everybody is.
Hey. Throw. I still ain't finished this shot. They done with their shots for me. I'm still on one shot. Happy Mother's Day to us.
Should I say that part in this video?
Happy Mother's Day to me, y'all, because I be getting my titties sucked on.
Okay, what she said already?
Baby want a bag, but I give bag. They call me Social Santa. Give bag off the front. Some shit he said. For my baby mom. Broke. Hey.
Get set, go. I'm dead. I am so dead, bro. Hey, y'all. I got my head on. I don't know how to act, but today is May 17th, my little sister's birthday. Happy birthday, Shenielle. We finna turn up tonight and tomorrow the right way. Period. And yeah, like this is her weekend. So, and then I didn't get to celebrate Mother's Day last week. Well, I did a little bit, but it was something small. Because as y'all see, me, Maya, and Shenielle went to the lake. Or whatever, we brought in Mother's Day at the lake. But we trying to turn up. Period. So tonight, we're going to be at Deadbolt. We got a section, and it's going to be lit. Happy birthday! Just Shenielle.
My bitch birthday. I ain't gonna lie. Birthday. I had a pee, but I need my shit. What you gotta say? It's your birthday. What you gotta say? Did you have fun? 20 fucking one.
22, baby. 22. This going on YouTube too.
Shabril is okay.
So today is May 18th, the next morning from the night that we had last night. But today is her brunch day. This is her food, some of her food, sweets. So sweet. This is her drink.
Girl, you got to be specific.
This is Mr. Ross.
Gotta be real specific.
That's my YouTube channel. Say hey.
Oh, hey, YouTube. How you doing?
Say hey to YouTube. Say hey to you. Thank you. This is my cousin Dominique. Say hey to you too.
Hi, you.
Hey girl. YouTube. So when you see you on YouTube.
Oh, no.
They ain't showing it yet. But we gonna get that first. This is Grandma. Grandma, say hey to you too. Hi.
They give you drinks? Yeah. They give you drinks now?
Mom, say hey to you too. Say hey to you too, y'all. Yes. Y'all wanna say hey to you too? You're so ghetto.
It's gonna be big drama. 20 minutes of
I want everything.
like Sunday service. I just want a one-on-one. Don't know why she's on nervous. Fuck with these hoes said, 'cause my niggas say on purpose.
Okay, period.
20 minutes of service. We pull up like Sunday service. Anyway.
That green one back.
It ain't real. No.
What? Oh, I gotta get the green one and the blue. The green one. I
got a lot of the wall scents from grandma. From grandma. Can y'all hear me? Y'all can hear me? I'm crying. Okay,
Yeah, she did. She went right past you.
I got the girl and Versace
Okay,
for
period.
my mama.
Which one you take?
The wallflowers stick up her
Good girl.
I can't really.
Billie Eilish.
Yeah, okay, Billie Eilish.
You know your sister got you.
Ariana Grande perfume for my
Period. Perfume.
my mama.
Okay.
My birthday coming up too.
Mine's coming up too.
Back in September. Back before November.
Girl, you.
No,
September.
September 6th.
September 24th. Look, we a couple weeks apart. It's
Don't
cool.
worry, don't worry.
Okay, we don't forget. I ain't forget about her. Don't forget about me.
I got a blow dryer from my TT Brenda.
Y'all got the feathers.
Let me find out you hinted.
Can't get it out.
Sunday dinner at Annie House. Pot roast in the crock pot.
Okay, These are like the to-go containers. Like
Okay.
Tupperware.
Tupperware.
You gonna need them, baby.
From Brianna and Damon.
Okay.
Yeah, my birthday coming up too.
I got you, you know.
That's it. And you share it.
Also a crock pot.
Okay.
Cause I'm waiting on me a crack.
That's all the same bed. That's all bed.
Which one?
That one.
This one too? Okay.
Well, y'all family that nieces. Hey.
I've been part of family since
Oh my God.
2016.
Okay, make your mark.
Oh, yeah,
That's the toolkit. Oh. Yes, I got a toolkit. It's
Yeah, you need one. Everyone in
Everyone these
I
headbands
know you got
Okay.
when I be doing my makeup.
and a selfie light.
Ooh.
Okay.
You got one more, baby.
Oh.
I ain't see that.
Oh,
These are my car mats. They pink from TT Brothers.
I thought you said Carmex.
Matt.
So irritating.
That was the girl that was sitting right there. The yellow one is the girl that was sitting right there.
The white one is yours.
Why you back there?
Asha was like, dang, she went home.
One card from Alexis and
That's from your granny and TT. That's from your.
thank y'all. Okay. That's it.
Okay.
What about the other stuff that was sitting
Don't scroll fast.
Take a picture.
Okay, that's good. Okay, come on.